In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the crop tool in Lightroom to enhance your photos. Lightroom is a powerful tool for photographers looking to refine and perfect their images, and mastering the crop tool will bring a level of precision and creativity to your edits. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the photo you wish to edit in Lightroom Cloud. Make sure you've selected the correct image from your library, as this will be our canvas for today's editing session. Once your photo is ready, your next step is to locate the crop tool. You'll typically find it under the Edit menu, labeled as Crop and Rotate, or it might also appear as a familiar icon resembling a cropping frame. This tool is essential for adjusting the composition of your photo and enhancing its visual impact. With the crop tool activated, you'll notice a grid overlay appears on your photo. By default, you'll see a rule of thirds or a standard 3x3 grid, which helps guide you in creating balanced compositions. This overlay is crucial as it provides a reference for aligning key elements of your photo and achieving harmonious proportions. For those of you wanting to experiment with different grid styles, you can easily do so by pressing the O key on your desktop. This shortcut allows the overlay to cycle through several grid types, including the rule of thirds, square grid, and the golden ratio, among others. Each grid has its own unique application, so I encourage you to explore these options to find the one that best suits your artistic vision. Now, if you're not seeing any grid at all, don't worry. This might be due to your tool overlay settings. To ensure your grid is visible, head over to the View menu and look for the Tool Overlay settings. You'll want to check that it's set to Always Show or Auto. This ensures that your grid remains visible whenever you activate the crop tool, providing you with a constant guide as you work. Remember, experimenting with the crop tool and understanding its functionality can drastically improve your ability to create striking and well-composed photographs. Don't be afraid to play around with different grid types and see how each one can change the dynamics of your image. That's the rundown on using the crop tool in Lightroom. Knowing how to control this tool effectively can drastically elevate your photographic skills. Feel free to pause, repeat, or go back to any section as needed to ensure you're getting the most out of this tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I can't wait to see how you implement these tips in your own photos. Happy editing!